287 species in genus Pelargonium. Pelargonium, a world of scented leaves and vibrant blooms. I've always been drawn to the vibrant colors and unique scents of geraniums. But did you know that the geraniums we commonly see in gardens and window boxes aren't actually true geraniums? They belong to the genus Pelargonium from the Geraniaceae family, a fascinating group of plants native to South Africa and Australia. As an avid gardener and plant enthusiast, I, Ferbvu, am excited to share my knowledge and passion for these beautiful and diverse plants. A diverse genus. The genus Pelargonium encompasses a vast array of species, each with its own unique characteristics. From the familiar zonal geraniums with their rounded leaves and vibrant flower clusters to the trailing ivy geraniums and the fragrant scented geraniums, there's a Pelargonium to suit every taste and garden style. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face. While Pelargoniums are primarily grown for their ornamental value, they also have a rich history of use in traditional medicine and perfumery. The essential oils extracted from the leaves of certain species, such as Pelargonium graveolens and Pelargonium crispum, are used in aromatherapy and to scent soaps, perfumes, and lotions. In traditional medicine, Pelargonium leaves have been used to treat a variety of ailments, including skin infections, respiratory problems, and digestive issues. Some studies suggest that Pelargonium extracts may have antiviral and antibacterial properties. Growing and caring for Pelargoniums. Pelargoniums are relatively easy to grow and care for, making them a popular choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. They prefer well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight, although some species can tolerate partial shade. Regular watering is essential, especially during hot, dry weather. To encourage bushier growth and more abundant blooms, pinch back the tips of the stems regularly. Deadheading spent flowers will also help to prolong the blooming period. Pelargoniums can be propagated from cuttings, making it easy to share your favorite varieties with friends and family. Simply take a cutting from a healthy stem, remove the lower leaves, and insert it into a pot of moist potting mix. Keep the cutting in a warm, bright location, and it should root within a few weeks. A personal connection. I've always found Pelargoniums to be incredibly rewarding plants to grow. Their vibrant colors and unique scents bring joy to my garden and home. I love experimenting with different varieties and creating unique combinations in my flower beds and containers. One of my favorite Pelargoniums is the Attar of Roses variety, which has intensely fragrant leaves that release a strong rose scent. I often use the leaves to make potpourri or to add a fragrant touch to my bathwater. I also enjoy growing the variegated varieties of Pelargonium, such as Mrs., Pollock, and Frank Headley, which have stunningly colorful leaves. These plants add a touch of drama to my garden and are always a conversation starter. A continuing fascination. The world of Pelargoniums is vast and diverse, and I'm constantly discovering new and exciting varieties. I encourage you to explore the many different species and cultivars available and find the ones that speak to you. Whether you're drawn to their vibrant colors, their unique scents, or their ease of care, Pelargoniums are sure to bring beauty and joy to your life.